Hello everybody, welcome to my challenge activity solution for 11.4.2. Sorry about the fan in the background. So basically in this challenge activity, they want us to write a single statement that print the outside temperature line with 2 decimal. So for the sample, it's basically just if they put the 103.46432, the new number come out will be just 0.46. So basically we just ignoring the number over here and we focusing on the after decimal number. So if we look at the code, we have a float number, medium with a double, and float number. So if we look up on this table on how to do it, there are 2 float and double specifier that we can use, and we are not using the E because the E is only for scientific notation. So we're looking at the %F only. And so if we look on how to write the code, there's actually this one participation activity that we can do. It's 11.4.3 right here. It actually tells us on shows a lot on how to do the code. So basically, I want to show this one right here. So if the my float number is 45.1342, let's just ignore the front number over here and look at the behind the decimal number. So we see that they write the %F. So to write that, we just put what we want to change in the middle of the % and F. So we see that we have a decimal right here, and if you look after that, there's 2, which means that it will keep the output to be only 2 after decimal number. So if you look at the answer, it will be 0.13 instead of 0.1342, and that's exactly what we want. So if we go back on our code and we just write a system dot out dot print f, so we write %.2 f, okay, and then we want to end the line because it's a print f, not print line. So we just do that, close, and then comma, and outside temperature. I do this because I want to let the code know which number am I doing it for, which is the outside temperature. Do that, then close the bracket, and then end the code right there, and let's see. Oh, okay. Oops. Sorry about that. That should be it. Yep. So yeah, here you go. You can play with the code. This is actually a really good challenge activity to play and mess around with how the decimal work. And there you guys go. That is challenge activity 11.4.2. Thank you.